Hey guys, happy Tuesday. How's everybody doing today? So this was kind of spur of the moment. Didn't plan on doing this today, but I thought it would be kind of fun to jump on here because this was something that came to mind. So usually when I think of something that I want to say or want to do a live for, I forget about it, right? And the next time I go to do a live for this group or for my timeline or wherever, I'm trying to think of what I want to say. So I know we all do that. But anyways, so here's a quick tip for more engagement. Now, when people are commenting on your posts, you do a post, you do a live, whatever you do, right? I don't know why, but I've been seeing a lot of this lately. So people are going onto their post and they're just putting one comment, right? They might have, 5, 10 comments. People, said something on their post that they made, and they'll go and they'll make one comment and they'll say, "Thank you, everybody," or, something like that. It's just one comment. But that is totally going against the Facebook algorithm for you. So you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you actually want to respond to every single comment individually. And not even just for the Facebook algorithm, but the reason you want to do this is because then people feel important, right? If they're commenting on your post and they're taking the time out of their day to comment on your post, it's nice for you to respond to them back personally. So besides just giving your audience, more personal attention, it's also great because it keeps your boosting your post up. So it's kind of a win-win situation. And I don't know why I've been seeing this lately, and but I've been seeing it a lot lately. And it's a very basic thing, and a lot of you may already know this, and maybe some of you knew it or just forgot it. But it's so simple to do. Just go back to your posts, and I will literally go back to posts sometimes 1 or 2 weeks ago, and there's comments that I missed. Maybe they commented after, and I just wasn't getting the notifications because you get so many notifications, you miss it, right? So just go back to your posts, periodically and check them and see if anybody else has commented, because it goes a long way for people that are following you if you take that time out to personally respond to everybody. So this is just going to be a quick little video, one quick little tip, and I hope that helped. Thanks whoever's hopped on here. I can't see into the comments today for some reason, but I hope this little tip helps you, and say hi and let me know you're here. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday. Happy June 1st. It's the first day of a new month, so hope everybody has a great, successful week. And Monica and I will also be getting back to you soon from the poll I did last week and announcing our next training. So you guys have a great day, and I hope this tip helps. Let me know if it helps you or not. Talk to you soon.